Well, hello there. Hello there. One thing about South Africa, just a quick intro. It's busy drizzling ever so lightly. Just drizzling lightly. And one thing about South Africa is that with weather like this, they are very reluctant to go out and would prefer to stay indoors. Reason I'm going out is to go and look at the stream while this rain has impact on it. Yeah, South Africa is not like many parts of the States, or like Canada in particular, where rain and snow and things like that is absolutely nothing new. You will hardly find a South African willing to go and camp in rain unless it's been a long 4 or 5 day hike and hoping for the best. But you will not easily find a South African willing to go and camp in raining or snowing weather. Snow, you can forget about it, because we also used to short periods of rain, but here in the Cape it's light rain during winter in particular, and I want to go and see what the stream looks like. So yeah, why not? All you need to do is to put your rain clothes on. I hear the water from here already, and I am going out to see what it looks like. wandering the sky. Here's the thing. If you live in a part of the world that doesn't have as much rain as other parts of the world have, then when you do get rain, you find it fairly significant. And you go out, you be a go-getter, and you appreciate what you see. Streams getting more water, dams getting a little bit more full. Some parts of the world don't take their water for granted. Other parts of the world do take their water for granted because they just have so much of it. Or snow that melts becomes water. Very seldom we get snow here, but down here at the south coast of South Africa we are in winter, and this is our rainy season. So got some nice mud, and you saw the stream. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's beautiful. One must come out while it's still raining, and you can get to see the full impact. You wait for it too long and you stand inside the house waiting for the weather to clear. By the time you get there, you're not going to see the full impact of the water. You're not going to see as much water. We're on our way to waterfalls now. That very same water you saw is water that's going to be coming down the waterfall further up the top here. Same water from this waterfall goes down to where we were just now. So yeah, let's go and have a look at it. I love it when we get some rain. Start seeing this again. It's been a while since I've seen a waterfall like this again. It's been a while since we've had some decent rain. Very handy. Good news, I am in the rain, I am in the mountains, so let us go and see waterfall number 2, possibly number 3. I was going to go back to the stream and then to the waterfall, but this route might be shorter actually, around about the same, make it a circle route. So let's go and see. I know for a fact there's going to be a nice waterfall or two, since this one we've just been at has got some nice water. Let's go and have a look. And all this water from these various little waterfalls and streams all end up in the same dam, and that's good news. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, you might actually notice from our commentary that we have an appreciation for rain. Certainly I do. I never complain. Maybe also because I grew up on a farm in my first couple of years of this life, so I certainly have had all the appreciation of rain. I can hear water. That is waterfall number 2. Catch you just now. This is probably one of my favorites. Only looks like this when we've had some decent rain. The previous one always has water. This one doesn't always have water, but when it rains, it's probably maybe one of the most spectacular here. And I just feel very lucky that I live so close here. Walking distance from home here. I think I'm going to go down long way round there, and then go towards the bottom, because further along that trail is another waterfall. I will catch you there. Let's check it from the bottom. I don't know what the fuck is going on with the zooming function of this GoPro. Maybe it's something that will just work once I've switched it completely off and plugged it in again or something. I would have liked to zoom in there, closer to there, especially for a photo maybe. Anyway, this is number two. I don't know if I actually feel like going to number 3. Sorry guys, but my boots are not waterproof, and I don't know if I feel like taking a jumping through here. Thank you very much. I do have a good idea about what the other one would look like. I suppose if I really wanted to, I could take my shoes off and walk through here barefoot, but I already have a very good idea. At least we've got 2 good waterfalls now, and the stream, and this stream, and another stream. I have had this entire forest to myself today. Very nice, very nice. Just as I expected. You will not easily find a South African who feels like going to walk in the rain. Especially, they would call this, well, there would be people that are grateful for it. Then you get miserable people that will call it miserable weather. But even the people that are grateful will not come and walk when it's raining. So yeah, quite nice having everything to myself here. There is definitely something coming this weekend probably. Here's another one of them. This, check here. Looks like a pretty professional little sign that. Let me be a sport and put back that one hanging thing I saw, because here's yet another one of them. My guess is one of 2 things, can only be one of 2 things. Bicycles, more likely than anything else, but it could also be for trail runners. But this, I've seen bicycles before on this trail. Maybe I should come and have a look over the weekend, see if I spot anything, take some photos, and I just sincerely hope they keep their Energade and Powerade bottles to themselves this time and don't throw it into the forest. SOX stands on the sticker here. So anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed your water. From here, I'm going to be crossing that little stream we went across Nana earlier with that bridge. And from there it's less than 5 minutes, probably less than 5 minutes back home again. Better than nothing. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. If I put this on YouTube, click on subscribe. You never know. I've got one or two people that definitely do like to follow, and we like the different scenery in this mountain, ranging from forest to fynbos. Open sections becomes forest again, becomes open sections, becomes forest. Variety of things to see in this mountain here along the south coast of South Africa. So sure guys, please subscribe and let's see where the next walk takes us to.